Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I want to show you an actual example of the affiliate stacking ecosystem and how one of my top students is now earning over $20,000 per month with this method. I want to put theory aside and I want to show you actual proof, but more importantly, I want to show you an inspirational story of one of my students, Daniel. He was actually $35,000 in debt and on the verge of being sued, and his whole family was counting on this. And despite this, he was still able to generate a $20,000 per month business using the affiliate stacking ecosystem. But stay tuned throughout this whole video because we're gonna dive deep into that. Now, in the last 4 videos, we covered a lot and I showed you how to quickly get started with the affiliate stacking ecosystem, but more importantly, how this can actually help you quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. And in video number 4 of this 6-part series, I walked you through the exact blueprint that you need to actually quit your 9-to-5 job and to have financial and time freedom. So make sure to go watch that last video and make sure to watch all these videos in this series, guys. There's a ton of value, a ton of gold nuggets that I drop in those videos. I promise you don't want to miss those 4 videos because I drop some of the most insane value and gold nuggets ever released on the marketplace. But more importantly, this is going to be more valuable than a lot of paid courses out there. But this video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to walk you through an actual case study of a student who applied the affiliate stacking ecosystem and has now created a life of true freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And he now has true time freedom to spend with his family, and he gets to do what he wants to do when he wants to do it. So I'm going to let you hear from Daniel himself, but basically he racked up over $35,000 in credit card debt because he had started an Amazon FBA business. So he had bought a ton of inventory to start up his business. Now what happened is he got deep into debt and he was being sued by American Express because of the debt he had racked up. Now, unfortunately, that Amazon business failed for him and he didn't have a job at the time, so his back was against the wall and his family was depending on him. And what's worse, this is when all the lockdowns happened in March of 2020, so he couldn't even go out and find a job. So his back was literally against the wall with $35,000 in debt. Now, I want you to hear from Daniel himself because he tells an amazing story and it's very inspirational because he used the affiliate stacking ecosystem to literally go from $35,000 in debt to now making over $20,000 per month with his affiliate business. Let's hear from Daniel.
Hey, my name is Daniel Chou. People also call me Freedom Warrior. Look, if you told me that 12 months ago, one day I would become one of the top affiliates in the world and making $20,000 per month, I would say you were crazy. Look, when I started my affiliate marketing business last year, my family and I were in a bad financial shape. I mean seriously bad. We just had our second baby and I couldn't find a job because of COVID. To make matters worse, I also had over $35,000 in credit card debt and a lawsuit from American Express. Today, I'm totally debt-free, having the freedom to live my life on my own terms and the power to provide the very best to my family. Also, I've helped hundreds of students all over the world, teach them how to take back control of their financial future by starting a profitable online business. Well, you may ask, how on earth can I turn my life completely around in less than a year? Well, it all started from that one presentation I watched last year. The very same video that you are watching now. Through that video, I got the chance to learn from my mentor, Montoya, and finally learned how to do affiliate marketing correctly through his Freedom Breakthrough program. So if you are in the same position like where I was last year, if you think you deserve more in your life, or if your family is counting on you and winning is the only option you have, I want to let you know that there is hope. And the key to that freedom that you and your family deserve is right in front of you right now. And last but not least, thank you, Jonathan and Freedom Breakthrough. You have completely changed my life. Talk later. God bless.
So this was a truly inspirational story from Daniel Chou. Now, one thing about Daniel is he's one of the best students I've ever coached and mentored, because even though his back was against the wall, he was $35,000 in debt, he never complained about the process. I showed him how the affiliate stacking ecosystem worked, and he just followed the process, and now he's making over $20,000 per month. But more importantly, he has the time and financial freedom. Now, he just followed the exact same steps that I'm taking my students through in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which launches in just a few days. Now, I want you to imagine being able to watch over my shoulders while I show you how to create a passive income business, how to get unlimited customers to that passive income system, but more importantly, how to create an online ATM machine by sending emails and getting paid. I want you to imagine all the time and money you're gonna save instead of figuring this out all by yourself. Now, as you can imagine, it's literally impossible for me to work with every single person on my YouTube channel or on my email list. That's why I like to keep my online programs relatively small so I can give support and help to people as they need it. So I want you guys to understand this is a rare opportunity, and spots will be granted on a first come, first served basis. This is literally one of the best programs I have ever released, and I wouldn't be surprised if it sells out within a few hours of releasing. So I want you guys to keep your eyes open, and when registration opens, jump on board and get into Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now, in the next video of this free 6-part series, I'm going to be giving you guys some specific instructions on how to guarantee you get a spot into Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. I'm also going to share some more information on Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and why this program is so much different from anything you've ever seen ever before. And if you haven't put your name on the early bird waitlist, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Guys, make sure to go to that link and get on that early bird waitlist. It's gonna be a first come, first served basis. And if you are on that waiting list, you guys will get a link first before I open it to the public. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.